Hi, I'm Alan in Alan-Unleashed, and I got a new video for you. You ever have a phone charger that won't charge your phone? Shelly has a iPhone 7 Plus. She have no problem charging her phone on here. And I got a 14 Pro Plus, and mine's not charging on here. See, it's not charging. It's green. If it's green, it's not charging. I tried this way. It's not working. I relay it this way. It's not working. Shelly has no problem with it. Well, she has to play around with it before it starts working. So I had an idea. I didn't throw mine away. I just kept it so I could figure something out. And then all of a sudden one day it dawned on me, why not cut a little spacer here to bring the phone. See what I did? I moved the phone around this way. And it started charging. I figured, well, if I put a spacer right there, I can just set the phone on there. It'll start charging. But on mine, I bought this super glue foam mounting tape from Amazon. I had the link down in the bottom. And I use that foam tape to keep mine on because, see that moving? See, it moves there. Shelly doesn't want the tape on hers, but I put the tape on mine to keep it still, and I have no problem with it. I just set my phone up there. The wood don't move. It's moving on here because it doesn't have this on it. So instead of, I was going to throw mine away, but I came up with this idea, and I'm glad I did. I'm glad I didn't throw it away. Anyway, that's all I got for you right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, come back, comment. And until next time, later.